Assalamu alaikum everybody. You're in the class of copywriting with Ms. Fatma Hatem Anjari. And we're going to continue our discussion about typography. But today we're going to focus in this video about typography and web. Web pages come to life to accurately portray a brand's image through great typography. Portrayal is happening on the go with more and more people browsing on mobile devices nowadays. So you come across more of digital ads probably than print or other sort of ads. So you must consider how a web page will look on a 21-inch monitor, but also on a 7-inch iPad and a smartphone screen with ever-changing dimensions. So all this consideration is very important when you are trying to figure out what typography to use for your ad. Contrast. Text exists to be read, so make sure that it contrasts enough with the background to achieve that. If you are unsure about contrast, take a screen capture of your image or of your page and open up your image in editing software and reduce the image to grayscale. You'll soon see if you have enough contrast. Talking about size. Is your type size big enough? Don't set body text below 16 point, and if possible, make it bigger. Space. Let your type breathe. Don't be afraid to leave blank spaces in your pages. This negative or white space will help focus attention on the text, and it's the text that speaks the loudest. So let it be heard. Remember the line height. CSS property, a good rule of thumb is line spacing that is at least 140% of your text size. Talking about the hierarchy. Varying type size is one of the best ways to differentiate content. Color and decorative boxes might help, but different sizes of types used with single, loud and clear to your. So what happens is that when you're using different sizes of types, it is going to signal louder and clearer to your readers the relative importance of your page's element. Hence, hierarchy, which directly relates with the varying type size, is very important. Why? Because the reader can quickly pick out the important bits, and that could mean that they stay longer and read on the complete ad. Different styles can be used. For example, all caps, italics for subheadings, serif and sans serif faces can also be used in combination. Take a look at this Daraz ad. What is the different type sizes here? And how impactful are they on this particular ad? Thank you so much. That will be all for today's class.